Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, simply hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll have this annoying sound along with a pop-up with ability to capture a long screenshot and share. Now the long screenshot was grayed out because there's nothing really to scroll down on, but if you had something like, let's say, settings open, where the entire page is scrollable, or web browser, obviously that would allow you to capture a long screenshot. Now, once we have captured a screenshot, we can find it in our Photos application. It will show up somewhere at the very beginning. It is labeled screenshot. This is actually an album, so if you tap on the text itself, it would take you to album, which will contain only screenshots. But we don't have actual way to navigate to albums through here, through the tabs or anything, or in a side panel for some reason. So later on, if you're trying to find your screenshots down the line, you will have to flip through pages till you encounter one of the screenshots and then click on the actual album, which will take you to the rest of the screenshots. Now, anyway, this is how you'd capture your screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.